European pork and beef on the U.S. and Canadian market. What distinguishes European pork, beef, and cured meat? Its unique taste and high quality, appreciated by consumers all over the world. What is the secret of European meat success? It's the quality, the result of experience, innovation, and tradition, as well as shared passion and work of meat producers. Following the idea from field to table, farmers, producers, and distributors are responsible for taking care of high production standards at every stage. This holistic approach ensures full traceability within the entire production chain. The system of animal marking and the principles of transparency of the production process make it possible to trace the whole chain from beginning to end. The origin of the meat, the conditions of animal breeding, and place of the production are known in great detail. The European Union has a complex quality, safety, and hygiene management system. The entire production process is under constant supervision. The European Union pays close attention to animal welfare. The use of hormones, growth promoters, and antibiotics is prohibited. Natural pasture grazing from spring to autumn and the use of high-quality plant-based feed in winter are popular among cattle breeders. All parties involved in rearing, slaughtering, and transport of the animals try to ensure the best humane treatment. Ante-mortem and post-mortem inspection is compulsory. The next stage of production is cutting. The conditions in the processing plants are defined in great detail. Moreover, the whole industry follows modern production methods and sanitary regimes, which involve regular disinfection of the production halls. The competence of the staff is constantly developed through training. Systemic quality management includes, inter alia, the implementation of good practices and mandatory HACCP system. Continuity of the cold chain is ensured at each production stage. Producers and distributors are obliged to ensure the cleanliness and safety of food during production, processing, packaging, storage, and transport. How do you know that we follow all the rules during production? The whole process is controlled very carefully. The supervision of food safety and quality is organized in a precise and effective manner, thanks to coherent guidelines applicable in all UE member states. The exportation is carried out only by authorized plants, which have been approved by the competent veterinary authorities. Meat is dispatched only when it meets the requirements of EU, Canadian, and US regulations. Products exported from EU countries are subject to detailed border controls, including border veterinary inspection. Compliance with export standards and appropriate transport conditions is a #1 priority. Meat does not lose its qualities, and consumers from across the ocean can taste full-fledged European products. This is how pork, beef, and cold meat are made, which is appreciated all over the world. The European Union is the largest exporter of pork products in the world. It is also one of the leading beef exporters. Over the past 10 years, there has been a clear increase in the export of pork and beef from the European Union. Such numbers prove that European meat has become a part of the culinary tastes of consumers all over the world. European produce and meat products comply with high expectations of consumers. That is why they have been part of American and Canadian menus for years.